Hello YouTube and welcome diecast enthusiasts. This is diecast for you to see, and for you to see today is a mail call, and this is from Mick 67. I received a parcel yesterday in the post. I didn't know it was coming, so this is a nice surprise RAOK. I've unwrapped it, but I haven't looked inside the box. Now this is a pet food box, and I know from seeing Mick's videos recently he has just got two lovely puppies, two Jack Russell puppies, and they're called Buddy and Lady, and they look absolutely lovely. So if you haven't checked Mick's channel out, go along and see his diecast and his beautiful little puppy dogs. Really good channel Mick's got, and most of you know him of course. So we're going to take a look together, and he's written a note which I will read off camera quickly. He's just put, "Hi Phil, something hopefully you can enjoy in your collection. Best wishes, Mick." Well, thank you Mick, I'm sure I will. What I'll do is I'll take that box away just in case it gets in the way. Mick, you've wrapped these really well. Now I recognise this as a Hot Wheels police bike. Boss Moss cycles there. So that's really nice indeed. Not one that I've got in my collection, Mick. And I've got my turntable here, so we give it a little spin there. Just change the angle so we can get that. So that is really smart. Something entirely different. I love the fact that it's the rear end of a car there. Looks like something like a 57 Chevy almost rear end. Like a trike really, with the wheels at the back. So that's a lovely piece. So thank you very much for that Mick, that's great. And what I'll do is I'll unwrap the next one while you can watch that spinning. Very well protected, and I definitely have not seen this before. And it's from Matchbox, and it's a 1970 Pontiac GTO. Looks really nice in the white with the striping there. So that is a lovely piece. Never seen it before. Certainly haven't got it if I've never seen it, and I can see the judge there on the rear wing. This is a great addition. There's quite a few in the box here, so just reading the name of it on the base, and it's from Hot Wheels, a Pro Stock Chevy S10. I'll put it on the turntable, and there it is. Lovely colour. I love yellow. I believe Mick loves yellow as well, but with the yellow and the pink looks really good. And it's got some text there on the side, Trentman's AC. So that's a very nice piece, like a dragster. Looks like it's got the parachute there ready to shoot out the back. It's got the stabilisers also there, so that's a very nice piece. Again, haven't got it, never seen it, so that's really good. I'm opening up the next one while you can see that Chevy dragster on the turntable. It's from Matchbox and it's a 1957 Chevy Bel Air, and I really love my 57 Chevys. It's one of my favourite cars and favourite castings, and that looks really nice piece. I've never seen it. I don't know if it's a custom, it could well be. Just take that from, you can see the wheels there. It's got an opening hood and painted detail and numbers there. A Hemi 426. So I would say that that is a custom, but that is a beautiful piece. It is, because I can see on the rear window there, it's for you to see. There we go, look. For you to see. So Mick, that is superb. Thank you very much indeed. So that is a very unique custom piece that Mick has done for me. Absolutely brilliant. Love that to bits. I'm really pleased with this surprise box. Looks like another Hot Wheels coming up here. And this is the 64 Chevy Chevelle. And this again, I've got a few Chevelles, but I certainly haven't got this one. It's in purple, a lovely colour, and it's got those beautiful flames and the engine there and the hood. Got the Malibu lettering on the rear wing. You can see the interior, look great, the gear shift. I'm looking in the box, there's 3 more left. Sorry about this gap in getting the castings on the turntable, but I want to do it exactly as I am because I want you to see the surprises at the same time as myself. And yet another one that I have not got at all. It's from Maisto, and I can recognise the car. It's a Ford Thunderbird in this really nice unusual mint green colour with the white roof there. And it's got Tonka Classic Cub on the doors. Love the pink coach line running up. Really nice. Thunderbird's a classic casting, a beautiful car in real life as well. So really pleased with that one. I'll let that spin. I've got two more to open, and this one is wrapped in tissue as opposed to bubble. What I'll do is, I believe this is another custom, so I'll leave that to the last and just unwrap carded Hot Wheels, because Mick may have wanted me to leave this custom, which was in tissue, until the end. And this is a beautiful Hot Wheels, and it's the Passenger in gold. And again, I haven't got this. You can see the dragster traffic lights there, ready for the run up the drag strip. Golden Age Racing text on the side. And what a lovely car in gold. Leave that there for a moment. Wow, this is something very different indeed. It's a 1956 Chevy pickup, and again it's a custom that Mick has kindly done, and it looks really superb with a great set of multi-spoke wheels there. And we've got some painted detailing on the rear with the lights, which is nice. I think it's been sprayed with a chrome silver finish, and it's painted in the headlights and the little side lights. And what I'll do is I'll take it from the turntable in a moment after we've seen that spin for just a little moment longer, and we'll take a closer look at it. And there you go. So that is great. So I'm going to sit that back on the turntable, and the other custom that Mick done, the 57 Chevy, and this is an absolute stunner of a box, Mick, so I just want to thank you very much indeed, Mick 67. And of course Buddy and Lady, his brand new puppies. So take a look at Mick's channel. Of course, as I said, a lot of you will already know him, but he's a lovely guy, and I just want to thank you so much, Mick. Really lovely to have got this RAOK from you. And best wishes to you and your family. Really do appreciate this. And to everybody else, bye for now.